Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily copy text from ChatGPT on your phone. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open the ChatGPT app. Now, to copy the text, tap and hold your finger on the text you want to copy. After a second, you will see different options right here. Simply tap and copy if you want to copy the whole text. Tap on select text if you want to copy certain part of the text. If you need to select more or less text, drag the little blue handles on either side of the highlight to adjust the section. Once the text is selected, you will see a menu pop up right above your text. Simply tap and copy. Now to paste the copied text, simply go to the app or area where you want to paste it. Tap and hold in the text field, then tap paste. And here you go, you have got the text right there. That's how easy it is to copy text from ChatGPT. I hope this video helped. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.